Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, Mijwa, Summer Couture 2017 by the one and only Manish Malhotra is truly a fashion show with a difference. Because it has pomp, it has glamour, it has stars. But underlying all that is a story of empowerment, of confidence, of grace, of the privileged stretching out their hands to hold the hands of those on whom the sun is still to shine in India.
तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया.
Mijwa, that showcases the chicken curry of women from a tiny village, Mijwa, in eastern UP, Azamgarh. Mijwa Welfare Society is an NGO that was founded by my father, lyricist and poet Kaifi Azmi, to empower the girl child and women in rural India. Today, a girl in Mijwa aspires to be a computer engineer, aspires to be an entrepreneur, aspires to be an actor. That is the success story of Mijwa.
के ज़मीन से भी कभी आसमान मिल गया.
Those people had never seen a telephone. They had never seen TV. And today, thanks to Mijwa Society, that same very village has a school, a maternity home, TV, telephone, a post office. Thanks to one person named Mr. Kaifi Azmi, who started this movement, and then it was carried on by Shabana and Namrata.
I do believe, and today I'm speaking to you not as Namrata Goel, with all the privileges that I have, but as the daughter of Mijwa, asking you to come forward and donate generously. But not only donate, it doesn't stop there. Get involved in our movement, because you need to be the change you wish to be. I genuinely believe legacy is our gift to the world. Legacy is an act of generosity on our side.
मेरा मानना है कि लड़के और लड़कियां बिल्कुल बराबर होते हैं, बस हमें मौका मिलना चाहिए. थैंक यू मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी हमें ये मौका देने के लिए. आज हमारे गांव में किसी भी लड़की की शादी 18 साल से पहले नहीं होती, क्योंकि हम शादी तो करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन पढ़ लिख कर कुछ बन जाने के बाद. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
It was my dream to come to Mumbai and attend a fashion show. I'm so excited that I still can't believe it. I want to grow up and become an actress like Shabana Bua.
तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो,
Anushka Sharma.
तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो.
Ladies and gentlemen,
क्या गम
the one and only Manish Malhotra.
तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो.
If learning is given as is being done in Mijwa, when a learning is given to a woman, it goes much further and wider. Women take it further. They take it to children, they take it to society, they take it to everyone else. And the essence of labor and work is given into the hands of women. They are much more intricate. They are much more honest about it and earnest about it. But the work they're doing, they started with 15 to 20 ladies, young girls, and they've gone on to have about 400 people now. Thank you, Mijwa, for having me over here. Thank you for the stuff that you're doing.
Like Shahrukh said, the greatest thing that you can do is to create livelihood for people. And even greater than that is to empower women while doing so. So hats off to you guys, and I congratulate you, and I look forward to another opportunity to associate with you all again and do whatever I can in my capacity, in my little way, as I have today. More power to all of you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the show. This madman, jiska naam hai Manish Malhotra, he has put this whole thing together in 10 days. ladies and gentlemen. अच्छा आप उठ भी जाइए, शो खत्म हो चुका है. Thank you. Thank you.
मुस्कुरा रहे हो